Alright, YouTubers, I'm going to cook something that wasn't my plan because it's so nasty and cold outside. I'm going to prepare this chicken up. I washed it and all that good stuff, so now I'm just going to cut it down. Alright, it's all chopped down. You get the idea. Alright, so after the chicken, we're going to clean this up with Lysol wipes real good. Gotta be safe, right? I have this Chris and Pitt's original barbecue sauce. Again, this wasn't my plan, but because it's just so nasty outside, cold and possibly rainy, we're just going to cook this in there. I'm almost out, so we'll save a little bit of it for later. Give it a hit of sriracha too, you know, because I gotta have my sriracha taste. Seal the bag up, mix it up in there a bit, as such, and let it marinate. We'll come back. Alright, it's cooking time again. It is super cold outside, so I have been lazy and decided that I did not want to get the grill out, so I'm trying something a little different here. Okay, these are Ore-Ida crispy crinkle fries, and I am going to make something odd. I'm going to make, well, a version of it. It's not going to be great. It's going to be what you can do in an RV, but I'm going to make Poutine, the Canadian thing, which is basically just fries with gravy and cheese curds on them. So, yeah. Put these on the... I sprayed that down with Pam real well. Alright, there's fries. Put the New Wave Mini on it. Let's see what the bag says. I'm going to start out with 25 minutes. Alright, so we're down to the last minute of that. It's going to need a little bit more, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the chicken here in a minute, and then I'll flip these and finish them when they're both about done. Cooking in stages. Alright, there we go. So we'll unplug that. Move it over here. I got the little hot plate out. I didn't unpack the... I have the New Wave, but I'm just using the cheap hot plate. A lot of people ask how much I like the New Wave induction cooktop. I like it a lot. But honestly, if I was to do it again, I would just get one of these and kept it with one of those, maybe a double burner one, because you don't have to have special pans, even though this one works on the induction. And I should probably be using the Copper Chef, but I'm using this thrift store one. I'll get that pan heating up. I'm going to use, I already doctored up the chicken a little bit, but I'm going to use some Mr. Stubbs chicken seasoning. I'll just put that in there with it. Let that heat it up, and then I'll hit the chicken with it once that pan gets hotter. Give it a second. I gotta try to be patient to get a hot pan. Alright, feel some heat coming up, and I can smell that seasoning. So we'll put the chicken in. Okay, I have a little bit more of the barbecue sauce left. Oh. That's good. I like that barbecue sauce. Keep that cooking, right? Right. It's coming along. It is looking and smelling really good. I'm going to hit it with some more Mr. Stubbs. Alright. See, it's still coming along. We're getting it there. Gotta hurry, I'm ready to eat soon. I'm gonna move it a little bit. I'm gonna plug the fries back in. I'm gonna get another 4 minutes, 5 minutes. There we go. Alright, now what I'm also gonna do, that is a measuring cup. That is brown gravy. So I'm making poutine the big old cheating way. What I got here is some peppercorn, a grinder. So I'm gonna put some peppercorn in the bottom. Put the gravy in there. Some more peppercorn. And I'm just gonna nuke this to get it hot. I know that's super cheating, but hey, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, we're gonna put the gravy in there. Alright, and what we got here, this is cheese curd from Myers. It's like mixed up, and that's the cheese curd I'm gonna put on the so-called poutine. I think in England they do this, they just call it chips with cheese or something. But it's famous in Canada. So yeah, we're gonna get this all set up. I'll show you in a second. Alright, putting the cheese curd on there. Or what's gonna pass for cheese curd. Alright, put some of chicken on there. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Poutine! Alright. Pour gravy over it. Woohoo! Doggy. Alright. Gotta do a flyover, don't we? Let's fly over the barbecue chicken, isn't that nice? Yeah. Fly back over the poutine. Poutine! Yeah. Great stuff. Let's eat it. Fork. Got some cheese and a fry. Oh. I'm telling you, that's working. Yeah. Can you see it? I'm liking that. That works. We're gonna do it again. I got enough of everything left. There's the chicken. Alright, YouTubers. Hope you enjoyed something relatively quick and easy that you can do in a small Class B when it's cold as all get out outside. Have a great and wonderful day. I've always been a fan of gravy on fries. Throwing a little cheese curd on it makes it even better. Now I'm just being rude. Seriously, have a great and wonderful day.